It's Lammassaari. I'm Olli from Feel the Nature. Hello, hello. So this is vanhan kaupunginlahti area. Very close to the downtown of Helsinki, and it's actually almost in the geographical center of Helsinki now. It has been a chilly night. Let's have a look. We had a look earlier, but I think that you couldn't hear anything. Like March marigolds there, they're all frozen. So it has been a few degrees minus during the night. Blackbirds. Say something. They won't. Okay. The frozen grass is melting. You see it? So let's see. We actually came from somewhere from here, and this is the map over the island. And I think next we could go. Hopefully you will follow me. Don't leave me. There is a birch watching tower there. Very close, few hundred meters. Look there. There's an island just in the front of us. Okay, no, I don't remember the name, but anyway, Koppen or something, Koppen. And something interesting is happening there this year especially. There have been, for example, earlier colony of herons and this other birds, which I don't remember English name anyway, merimetso in Finnish. But this year, first time, there have been sea eagles, white-tailed eagles, one pair nesting in there. And they got, what I heard, was it like about 2 weeks ago, they got chicks. 3 chicks. And they are kind of newcomers in the colony this year, so they, for some reason, for example, herons don't like that much when the eagles are eating eggs from the nests. Okay, understandable. Let's have a look to okay, then there are brown hares. Maybe at least 3. I don't know if you can see anything because unfortunately this is not. It's quite wide screen, but they are hares there, kind of like big rabbits. The sea is totally calm. You try not to like fall down with 41 years. Then go down Alder. You see a small leaves. Maybe 2 weeks ago, trees didn't have any trees practically. Now it's so fresh light, fresh green. Birches, this Alder. And I think there is like walking trail. Hey, by the way, I will show you something. Not birds, but some plants. There we have nettles. Very good, like a source of, for example, iron. And this is young one. Little bit burning. Nettles. Hey, that was so good. These one, young ones. Very common. Gardeners don't like it. I do like it when it's young. But after there you see the skyscrapers in the front there. Building it's Kalasatama area. Heron. Okay, let's go down. Geese, swans. Let's go. Continue route to island. It's good. The sound. There are about 100 these kind of small cottages, huts here. But these are actually getting up also lily of the valley. And they are getting like white flowers. Finnish national flower. But don't eat it. It's poisonous. It's very common here. Not very poisonous, but anyway. They are on it's also, let's see, lemmikki in Finnish. Don't forget me or something like that. It's in many other languages. It's wooden trails, not narrow trails. The other island, Kuusiluoto. There we don't have any cottages. Okay. I don't have rubber boots, so I don't go further. Let's go back to wooden trail. So the gate is closed. Anybody knows why it's closed? Oh, it's rush hour. So sometimes there are a few sheep. Yeah, I showed this in the beginning of the broadcast, but probably there was no audio, so it's like, let's repeat. So the white one here, it's wood anemone, Anemone nemorosa. This time springtime flower, very nice. But again, this one we don't eat. Don't eat. It's a poisonous. Blackbird. So there we have talked about the blueberries. So blueberry flowers we do have here. They could be, now it's like about mid-May. It's actually could have berries in, what would I say, here maybe in 5-6 weeks or so on. But now we don't know what the frost have done, because the flowers are really sensitive. Here one's one flying there, grey one, and birch trees with a white trunk, also like a fresh new, not full size, like a thumb size. This one you could also eat, but you are not allowed to collect these leaves from the trees if you don't have permission from landowner. So it's like some ferns. Oh, so getting up. Here in Finland we don't eat these ferns that much. That's here too. Raspberries. Sunny place, so we have raspberry. Barbecue place. Not that official anyway. And golden eyes. A little bit shy. They're not used to that. It's like a social media. here and say goodbye. This was mainly kind of like, again, technical test. Let's see how it works, and like Kuusiluoto, close to Lammassaari area. There we have Arabia, Basila in the background. It's Kalasatama metro.